First of all, go on your browser and search Canva. First link has been showed. Click on it. This is a home page of Canva. Now search logo. There is different kind of logo. Many of them is premium for work with crown simple. Click show more for find more logo template. This logo is perfect for me. If you found your type of logo, click on it. Now click Customize option. You come in to a new tab. This is a home page of customizing logo. First of all, select letter and change it with your logo main letters. Now select name, change with your logo name. Now adjust your letters and name. If you want to change color of letters, select letter and click on this and change color. Now if you want to change font of your title name, click on it and you will find many options. My logo is now done. Now time to download. For download, click share and now click download. Again click download. There is your logo done in few minutes. If I help you with this video, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.